What's up, fellas? You guys are probably clicking on this video because you guys are struggling to grow a beard. Today, we'll be going over 5 tips for you to get started on your beard growth journey the right way and to actually start seeing growth and progress in your beard. If you're struggling with a patchy beard, a thinning beard, maybe your beard just isn't connecting the way it's supposed to, we're going to be going over 5 tips today on how you can start growing your beard. So let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Seth. Maybe you guys are like me, and maybe you guys aren't genetically gifted in growing a beard, right? As you guys can see, I don't have a perfect beard, right? I actually started my beard growth journey I want to say in the past month and a half, and I've been seeing my own progress using these products that we're going to be kind of talking throughout the video about. And I'm now starting to see more progress by following these 5 tips that we're about to get into. First thing I would recommend when you guys are growing your beard is that you guys do not cut your beard. Don't shave your beard. I know this is a very, very hot topic when it comes to beard care and beard care routines. Guys are always telling you, you gotta make sure you cut your beard. If you cut your beard, you cut it all the way down, you trim it, you get that baldy on your face, it's gonna come in thicker, right? You're gonna start getting a thicker beard. That is a myth, and it's not true. It just is not true. I know a lot of you guys want to believe that it's true, but just because you're shaving your hair off your face does not mean that you will automatically grow a beard. You've tried it, I'm sure you've tried it, and it has not worked for you. The reason why is because I've also tried it myself. In the past, I have tried to cut my face. I've tried to get that baldy. I tried to put a 0 on the face. I have tried that and it did not work for me. I still grew back the same patches of hair in the same areas, and I was not able to get that full thicker beard that I thought I was gonna get by shaving my beard off. So step 1 is to stop shaving your beard. Like, bro, your beard is not going to come in thicker. Please do not believe that it will come in thicker, because it won't. You're gonna be wasting your time. You're gonna be shaving off the beard that you probably are actually progressing with. You're gonna be cutting that off and then having to restart over. So don't do that. That's just a bad idea. 2 is be patient. And I know you guys don't want to hear that, right? You guys clicked on this video because you don't want to be patient. I've been in the same position as you. I've searched all around YouTube. I've searched other social media platforms on how I can grow a beard as soon as possible, right? You guys want to know exactly how to start growing your beard today, right now, right this second. But what I will tell you guys is it requires a lot of patience. Your results are not going to come 1, 2, 3 automatically. Your beard is not going to come together ASAP, right? Some people do have those types of genetics, and that's something that we have to talk about. Genetics do come into play to some degree, but with these tips, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can beat science, you can beat genetics, and you can start taking care of your beard and seeing that growth starting right now. Patience is key. You guys got to make sure that when you do have a beard care routine, you take your time with it, keep consistent. If you guys do want to see actual results in your beard growth, you have to stay consistent. You have to follow these routines. You got to follow and stay consistent on your schedule of maintenance for your beard. And that's going to be step 3. Make sure you are maintaining your beard. And by maintaining your beard, I mean you guys actually have to wash and condition your beard, right? I'm going to be talking a little bit about our beard shampoo and conditioner. Both of these products right here work wonders on all beard types. I've used it myself, and I've been seeing a lot better progress in my beard because I've been able to maintain it. I've been able to wash it and condition it appropriately. That way I can be able to see that growth in my beard. In case you guys didn't know, in order for you to properly grow a thicker, fuller beard, you need to be able to wash and condition your beard. The reason why you need to wash your beard is because you need to be able to have an actual base, a starting point with your beard. Your starting point, which is your actual beard, your hair. If it is not clean, you're going to run into issues where your face is not clean, your beard is not clean, and it's not going to be cleaned and conditioned to be in the appropriate state for you to actually grow hair on your face. In order to start growing your hair on your face and seeing new hair follicles pop up on your face, your skin and your beard need to be clean. Following a appropriate beard routine with an appropriate beard wash, shampoo, or conditioner of some sorts is something that is very, very vital for your beard to grow in. And with these products right here, the beard shampoo and the beard conditioner, these 2 products are going to help you get that nice wash in your actual routine. And all you have to do to get started with using these products is making sure that you are actually washing your beard first. You can start with the shampoo, start washing your beard, shampoo through your beard, right? Then you're going to rinse that off. You're going to follow up while your beard is still damp. You can follow up with condition, lather that into your hand, into your palms, rub your hands together and run it through your beard. Get that conditioner all the way through your beard. You can follow up with a beard comb or a beard brush to brush that product through. And you want to rinse that out with some warm water. And you always want to make sure you are using warm water for your beard. that's always going to be the way you can use these products right here. But a good shampoo and conditioner will allow you guys to nourish the actual beard hair and the starting point for your beard. So if you have nothing, maybe you guys have just a couple of stubbles on your face, maybe you're just getting started, maybe you're 16, 17, maybe you're just 20, maybe you're 21, 22. Maybe you are somebody who is developing their beard finally, and you guys are finally starting to get into that nice little sweet spot where you're starting to see the chin hair coming in, the mustache, the sideburns, and all of that. You guys need to make sure that you are maintaining the hair that you already do have. That way you're able to start seeing new growth. Or is going to be, you're going to start using a beard oil. The reason why you need to use a beard oil is a proper beard growth oil will allow you to stimulate the hair follicles that are dormant in your beard. Maybe they're dormant, maybe they are not growing yet, maybe your beard has not yet caught up, or maybe your genetics are holding you back from getting a thicker, fuller beard like some of these guys that you see on the screen right now. Right? Now, if you guys want a thicker beard, the main thing you guys have to consider is that you are going to need a beard oil in your routine. A good beard growth oil will consist of a few key ingredients like castor oil for thickening the beard, rosemary and coconut oil, which are going to help you promote and stimulate beard growth. You guys don't actually have to look that far for high quality beard growth ingredients. You can actually look directly to these two products right here. This is our Beard Magic. Our Beard Magic is going to help fill in gaps and bald spots in your beard that have had stagnant growth. And the Beard Magic is a really, really easy product to apply. When you're using a beard oil, you want to make sure that you are using it gradually and make sure you're applying it to a beard that has been dampened with warm water. Pour the dropper directly into your beard. Run that through your beard. Take your time with it. Actually massage that into your beard. When you massage your beard, it will help you stimulate that blood circulation in your hair follicles. That way you're going to start seeing that growth and those results a lot quicker. But take your time when you are massaging. Take 3 to 5 minutes and make sure you're using a beard oil daily for best results. Then you're going to follow up with our actual beard oil. This is our Bask and Lather beard oil. It does consist of castor oil, and it does have key ingredients like vitamin E as well, which are going to definitely help you promote that thicker, fuller beard that you're looking for, right? And go in there and it's going to help you seal in that moisture. And what it's also going to do is it's going to help you thicken around those areas where you don't have a thinner or looser beard texture. You're going to have that thickness. That's exactly what makes a good beard, a good, thick, full beard is going to be that thickness. And you need a good oil that's going to help you and assist in that development of that thicker beard for you. And that castor oil will most definitely help you do that. Oils are going to help you promote that beard growth in those areas where you might be struggling. If you guys can see me here in my beard, I do have certain patches in my beard where I've been applying that Beard Magic. And as you guys can see this before and after, this is me a couple of weeks ago. You see, I did not have any beard hairs developing here. I did not have any hair follicles, and all of these came in naturally using these beard oils together. I've been using these daily, and I've been seeing my results personally, and it's been amazing. I've been actually being able to see a lot better results, but it's because I took my beard routine very seriously. And what I mean by taking your beard routine seriously, you actually have to use high quality ingredients in your oils. This is why we always recommend finding a good beard oil like our Beard Magic and our beard oil. Now check out our link below. And also, if you guys made it this far in the video, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us what your favorite part of the video has been. If you guys have any questions, or if you're new to the channel, definitely let me know. Make sure you are gonna like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you're staying up to date with all of our new drops, because we're gonna be talking about a lot of good things, from hair care to hair growth to wash day routines, and a bunch of different new cool stuff that are going to be popping up on this YouTube channel. So make sure you guys come through, say hi to us, talk to us, and we definitely want to get to know you guys a little bit better and give you the best tips for healthy hair and retention. But let's continue on with the video. Step 5, you guys have to make sure that you are using a high quality beard balm as well. What a beard balm is going to do is it's going to help you actually style your beard. You don't want your beard to look crazy. What I say is that a beard balm will most definitely help you style your beard appropriately. You guys see those guys that have really thick beards, and maybe their beards look crazy, maybe they're all out of whack. And the reason why is because they don't have a good high quality beard balm that's going to help them not only style the beard, but also nourish it with high quality ingredients that are going to help promote that moisture and that shine in that beard, right? If you guys want a shiny beard like this guy right here, you need to use a beard balm. A beard balm is going to help you bring in that shine and that moisture, so you not only have that thicker beard, but you also have that shine in that routine too. So we actually do have our own beard balm here at Bask and Lather. This is our stimulating hair and beard balm. This product right here has a variety of different high quality ingredients to help you not only seal in moisture in your routine and get that shine in your beard, but it's also going to help you grow that thicker, natural, fuller beard that you're looking for in your routine. The balm can also be used on your hair. So if you guys, some of you fellas might have dryness in your own hair. Maybe you guys deal with dermatitis, you guys have dandruff, maybe you have really, really bad flaking, hair is just dry in general. This balm does work on hair, and it also does work on beards as well. So definitely keep that in mind when you guys are stocking up on some of our products. It's gonna only allow you to see that moisture and that shine in your routine, but it's also gonna allow you to style your beard in a much, much better way. That way you are looking good, feeling good, and then you got that beard on point. These tips will be available as well beneath this video in the description. So definitely check out the description, drop a like, drop a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite part of the video is. These tips are going to be crucial in you seeing those results. So make sure that you guys are actually taking your time to have a beard care routine. Having a beard care routine can make a huge difference. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. Make sure you follow us on our other platforms as well. We are available on Instagram, Facebook. We're available on TikTok. We're available on Lemonade if you guys are into Lemonade. If you guys are on Twitter, we're on Twitter as well. We are on every social media platform. You can find us at Bask and Lather Co. all over the place. And if you guys want to get to know a little bit more about our products, we do have all of our men's collection available on www.baskandlather.com. That will also be down in the description. So make sure you are subscribing, commenting, and liking up this video as much as possible. The more you guys do that, the better content we'll be able to produce, and the more tips we can produce for y'all as well. But make sure you guys are subscribed. Until next time, thanks for tuning into the video. Peace out. I'll see y'all next time.